Why you must learn time value of money? Because if you learn this, you will know how to do smarter financial decision. Nobody can deceive you. And then you can improve your investment skill. In fact, because you know how to do evaluation, and you can better manage your loan. You can better do your savings and plan for your retirement. And also you are aware of inflation, and in business application, actually a lot evaluate projects. So I heard actually many people who are engineers who work in the oil and gas industry. So they calculate a lot of projects. You need to know TVM in order to project the return of your investment. So it actually used everywhere, right? For me, I every year I definitely have to use TVM all the time, right? And it's very, very good for wealth building if you know how this works. Okay, so basically I'll call it the grammar of money. If you want to understand money, this is the grammar you have to know. TVM, it's like the grammar. Now you lend a friend 100 ringgit. Which of the below gives you the best rate of return? A, they pay you 10 ringgit every year, but he pay you back 30 years. Option B, 15 ringgit every year, but for 20 years. C, they pay you 18 ringgit every year, but for 10 years only. Or you want 25 ringgit a year, but pay you 5 years only. So A, B, C, D, which one give you the best rate? Okay. So this one is even harder to calculate, right? So you look at this answer. Which one is the lowest? D is the lowest, right? Let me share the result. You see, how many of you cast the D? 2/3 of you cast D. And then actually, A and D is the lowest rate, the, the worst deal. And A and D plus together, 84%. Majority, 84%, actually choose A and D, right? So what does it tell you after calculating this? Well, this is also my first time calculating this. But at the time when we pick from A, B, C, D, right? You see, we thought the longer time sounds better because the total we got paid 300 ringgit. Then the shortest time actually pay you 125 ringgit. Actually, which is the best? The best is B. B pay you 15 ringgit times 20, actually also 300. So this 300 and A also 300. But you got your 300 ringgit sooner. So B definitely better than A already. You see? So there's like 18 ringgit, 10 years is 180 ringgit, but within 10 years. So B and C is very close. We couldn't really tell until we do the calculation, right? Precisely. Vinny said thank you, right? Connie also said must do calculation, cannot just use emotion, right, correct. Ah. Now we are here to to learn together, and then hopefully we can make a difference, right? And also Vin said okay, easily misled to make bad decision if not well educated. Yes, correct. So that's why we need to calculate, right?